खुशबू को तर्क करके न लाए चमन में रंग, खुशबू को तर्क करके न लाए चमन में रंग, इतनी तो सूझबूझ मेरे बागबान है।
Parveen Shakir, a name synonymous with modern Urdu poetry. She revolutionized the landscape of Urdu literature. Her words resonate deeply, especially with women. Shakir gave voice to their emotions, dreams, and struggles. Shakir's poetry is a tapestry of love, longing, and social commentary. She navigated themes often considered taboo. Her courage and candor shattered glass ceilings. Shakir became an icon for generations to come. She dared to speak the unspoken. Shakir addressed the complexities of relationships. She explored the nuances of love and loss. Her poetry, a reflection of her own life experiences, resonated deeply with readers. Shakir's impact transcended mere aesthetics. She became a symbol of female empowerment. Her work sparked conversations about gender roles and societal norms. Shakir's influence continues to inspire countless aspiring writers and poets today. Born in Karachi in 1952, Parveen Shakir's life was marked by academic excellence. She excelled in her studies, obtaining a master's degree in English literature. Shakir furthered her education with a PhD in bank administration. Her professional life was equally impressive. Shakir served as a civil servant, rising to the position of Secretary of Finance. She also worked as a teacher, sharing her knowledge and passion for literature. Young Parveen. Despite my demanding career, my true calling lay in the world of poetry. I began writing at a young age. My early works showcased a natural flow.
दुखोड़ते नहीं कभी बज़्मे तरब में हम, मलबूस से दिल को तन का लिबादा नहीं किया, जो गम मिला है बोझ उठाया है उसका खुद, सर ज़ेर बारे सागरो बादा नहीं किया.
Shakir's poems, often published in literary magazines, garnered critical acclaim. Her fresh perspective and evocative style quickly gained recognition. This marked the beginning of a remarkable journey in the world of Urdu poetry. Shakir embraced a simpler, more conversational style. Her words resonated with a contemporary audience. Adult Parveen. My poetry was relatable, honest, and deeply personal. I explored the complexities of modern life and love with a rare vulnerability. Shakir's use of metaphors and imagery was striking. She drew inspiration from everyday experiences. Shakir found poetry in the mundane, making her work instantly accessible to readers. Her poems were imbued with a sense of rhythm and musicality, making them perfect for recitation. Shakir's work found a place in the hearts of many. Her words were often heard at mushairas or poetry symposiums. Parveen Shakir brought a fresh perspective to Urdu poetry.
She gave voice to feminine sensibilities and experiences.
This was a significant departure from the male-dominated tradition. Shakir's poetry explored themes of love, longing, and heartbreak.
She did so from a woman's point of view.
Her work resonated deeply with women. They found their own emotions reflected in her words.
Shakir's poems often touched upon the societal expectations of women.
She challenged traditional gender roles. Her work encouraged women to embrace their individuality.
Shakir's bold and honest portrayal of women's emotions was groundbreaking. It paved the way for other female poets.
She inspired a new generation to express themselves authentically and fearlessly.
Parveen Shakir's literary contributions are vast and impactful. Among her most celebrated works are Khushbu, Fragrance, and Ma-e Tamam, Full Moon. These collections captured hearts with their raw honesty and emotional depth.
Khushbu, her debut collection, catapulted her to fame. It explored themes of love, loss, and longing with a poignant simplicity that resonated widely. The collection became an instant classic.
Ma-e Tamam further cemented Shakir's position as a literary force. This collection delved into social issues.
Shakir explored themes of gender inequality and societal pressures with her signature blend of sensitivity and strength.
Her poems often reflected a deep understanding of human relationships. Shakir captured the complexities of love, separation, and longing with a rare sensitivity.
Her exploration of these themes resonated deeply with readers from all walks of life.
Shakir's life, though tragically cut short in a car accident in 1994, left an indelible mark on Urdu literature. Her legacy continues to inspire and empower generations of poets and readers alike.
Her work transcended geographical boundaries, touching hearts across the globe.
Shakir's poetry has been translated into numerous languages. This brought her unique voice to an even wider audience.
Shakir's impact extends beyond her written words. She was a vocal advocate for social justice and women's rights. Her poetry often reflected these convictions, inspiring many to strive for a more equitable society.
Parveen Shakir's legacy is one of courage, authenticity, and unwavering strength. She remains a beacon of hope and inspiration.
Shakir's timeless poetry continues to resonate with readers, reminding us of the power of words to heal, empower, and inspire.
आखिरी शेर है कि वरना ये तेज धूप तो चुपती हमें भी, वरना ये तेज धूप तो चुपती हमें भी है, हम चुप खड़े हुए हैं कि तू साहिबान।